Yeah. Yeah, if I had the bigger wheel
Moby.
in front, it'd be even worse.
Oh. Nice.
God, Lo.
Did you see the brakes on it then?
No, I didn't.
I like it. You're up there.
Yeah. Dude, I went by somebody's house. I was doing circles outside of my house, and the neighbors looked out the window and shut the curtains really quick. Like I built it to fucking peep into people's windows or some shit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a peep of Tom's bike right here.
Right, yeah.
Didn't get the tall shower bathroom windows.
That's pretty ballsy to take your first dismount and just ride right. Wow!
No shit, man. Woo! Right on, board.
Not like full out running, right?
Yeah.
Keep up with you. So I just think at some point he'll look back.
Ah!
I know that's right. That's the awesome.
That's the no road bike. There's another tall one. The red one?
Yeah. Supposed to break, so don't think it's not. That one's got a higher bottom back. I just like the wood. This is like 6'6".
Yeah, they're like exactly the same height. It was weird. We weren't even planning that. It's kind of happy.